Now I will show you how you can easily create different visual effects like fire using the gradient maps in Photoshop. Create a group in which we will paint the effect. At the very bottom of the group, create a layer and fill it with a black color. Create an empty layer for the effect itself. From the list of adjustment layers, select the gradient map and select the gradient you want. This layer always should be at the top of the group. Next, in layer below, paint fire or any other effect with white color. Set the blending mode of the group to linear dodge and continue painting in grayscale. Use eraser or black color to remove the effect. You can create as many layers as you wish below the gradient map. And here is how it looks if you turn off the gradient map. If you wish, you can easily change the color of the effect by simply selecting a different gradient. These gradients and many other tools that I use can be found using the link in the description. That's all for today, see you in the next videos.